What's up, guys? We're making chicken tinga. You're gonna need some chipotle and adobo sauce, some tomato sauce, tomato bullion cube, 2 garlic cloves, and I got 4 small onions or 1 really big one. Start by chopping up this bad boy, and we're gonna grill them up, saute them up in some oil, like so. So that's what I did first. That's what you're gonna do too. Get that fire on. Add about 5 capfuls of oil, 4 to 5 of those, and you should be good. That's an official measurement that chefs use, by the way. Gonna mix those bad boys up till nice and translucent or transparent, or you know what I'm saying. They're gonna be a little see-through, and yeah, mix those bad boys up. Make sure there's oil all over them. Now I'm adding my tomato sauce to a blender, and I'm adding about 3 adobo peppers at first, but I ended up adding the whole can. Just if you're scared of spicy stuff, just only put 3 in there, but it's not too bad. Add all of that. Add your tomato bullion cube or your chicken bullion cube, and then I'm doing equal parts water for the tomato sauce. And like I said, I ended up adding the rest of that. I just wanted to make something that, you know, was not spicy at all. This isn't spicy even if you add the whole can, and it'll give it way more flavor. Trust me, don't be scared. Just add the whole thing. I did, and it tastes way better. But yeah, added my chicken now that the onions were ready, and now I'm adding my salsa, or that sauce, that Tinga sauce is gonna just make it flavorful, because that rotisserie chicken was real big and it was dried out, and there was no way I was gonna eat that. Tastes too much not nice. This is gonna make it taste nice and hydrated. There's no way you're not gonna like this. You won't be gagging on your chicken. And yep, now I brought it to a boil about 10 minutes and it's ready to go. Enjoy, baby. Tinga de pollo.